Hi everyone! This video is a step-by-step guide in writing sets. We can write sets in two different forms. Number one is in the roster form. Considering set M here as a set of letters in the word mathematics, the first step is to write its label, M, and then we add an equal sign and open and close braces. Roster form is a specific form of sets. In short, we are going to list all elements and separate the elements by a comma. Next step is to omit duplicates because we don't need duplications in sets. So we omit M, another A, and another T. Therefore, the roster form of set M is this set. The second form of a set is called the set builder form. Set builder form is a general form of sets. To write it, we will still use the label and the other notations. But here, we will add a notation for generalization. Basically, it is actually this form, or we can read it as x such that x. And then, we just simply need to add a statement or a rule to generalize all elements. Since set M is a set of letters in the word mathematics, we make here the general form is a letter in the word mathematics. This is its set builder form. These are the basics in writing sets.